Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Farmers Insurance for policy documents step by step. To log into Farmers Insurance for your policy documents, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Farmers Insurance website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you prefer, you can check the box to remember your login information for future visits. Once you have entered your credentials, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to access your account. If your username or password is incorrect, a warning message will appear. Make sure to double-check your credentials for accuracy. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, navigate to the section that says Policy Documents. Click on that section to view your policy documents. If you need to download any documents, look for the download link next to each document. Click the download link to save your documents to your device. After you're done, remember to log out for security. To log out, look for the logout option usually located in the menu. Click on the logout option to safely exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.